take this washer off. I just use that. Grab a key blank. If they had a key, it would be quicker. This is just another way to open it without a key. Shim it. Now that it's turned, put the follower through. And then I just pick a key. Just pick this any random key. So by eye, the first one looks like a 3, and it is. The next one looks like a 5. It's too low. It's too low. So it's gonna be a 6. And that one also could be a 3 or a 2. I'm gonna try a 3. It was. And then the next ones all look just like my other one, which were 6s. Take it, put it back in, put the clip on, and now it's set to that key. No other key will turn it, it's just for this key. And then this goes back into the doorknob, and then that goes back onto the customer's property. And that's how you rekey a Kwikset doorknob.